Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Ooh, oh, I want that.
Hi guys, it's your girl Caro NG here again, and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. So today I want to do a bathroom deep clean, and that's the reason I'm standing right next to my bathroom. Later on, I'm also going to do some organization in the same bathroom. So keep tuned and make sure you watch to the end and carry home a tip. So without so much talking, let's get into the cleaning.
Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights cause nobody seems to make the time.
I started by removing all items that were on the shelves so that it will be very possible for me to clean. I also did not want them to get water, and the shelves were also dirty, so I needed to work on them.
I trace my steps back to then. Ooh, oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed.
After collecting everything from the shelves, I just decided to soak my soap dishes because they were also dirty. Later on, I poured some harpic in my toilet bowl and allowed it to stay for some time before cleaning it. Here I was just trying to create a mixture for cleaning, and I only used the normal washing powder and some Magnee disinfectant. In case you don't have this disinfectant, you can use the option of Jik or Dettol. I started by cleaning the walls, and I was just using this superbright to scrub, and it was cleaning very well.
A little less 25. A little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20. A little less 25.
I don't do a deep clean of my bathroom every day. I do it maybe twice or thrice a month, depending on the season. This season was dusty, so I've cleaned it like thrice the month.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't.
At some point, I felt as though my water was not concentrated well with soap, and I added some Omo, just a little bit, to make it foamy.
And I step my ground until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry, tears to cry. So I break these walls and hold my head up high. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving in.
The last two tiles of the bathroom really get dirty. I don't know why, and they were my main point of concentration because I felt that they needed attention. Next, I went ahead to clean the door, and if you realize I'm using the smooth part of my superbright because I didn't want to peel off the paint. And the lower part was my main concentration. These other parts were just a little bit dusty, and I don't know why these lower parts really get dirty. I think it's because of the splashing of cleaning water and also bathing water. Later on, I just rinsed the walls and the door using clean water and allowed the tiles to dry, though at some point I was just forced to use a cloth to wipe in most of the water.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I want.
Don't get confused, I was just trying to drain in the excess water.
Reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love.
Later on, I just went ahead to scrub my soap dishes. For those who don't have the soap dishes that are attached to the wall, how many times do you remember to clean your soap dish? They really get dirty, especially the stubborn soaps that get stuck on them. So it is very, very necessary to keep cleaning them to avoid infections and many other things.
All I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Artificial love. Artificial love.
In case you're wondering why I have many soap dishes, one is for my baby soap, the other one for my bathing soap, and the other one for my cleaning soap. I'm, however, looking for temporary, what do we call them? Soap dishes that I can stick to the wall. In case you have anywhere I can get them, please comment below.
The good and bad is such a thin line. How can you know what's in a heart when often hate?
For my floor, I use this scouring powder. I, however, don't love the smell. I think next time I'll just try a different brand. You can comment below whatever brand you use, but I don't love the smell. If you don't have the scouring powder, you can also use some disinfectant to clean the floor, or even Jik. Any can do as far as your floor gets clean. There is really a great disadvantage of using this scouring powder. If you don't rinse properly, it normally leaves some white color behind.
Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love.
Later, I cleaned my toilet and I added some harpic because the other one had already been dissolved by the water in the bowl.
Second night I've dreamt about you, babe. I don't know how I should tell you, babe, that lately I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you. Air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to.
was done cleaning the floor, I just went ahead to rinse it and dry up the water, because I really fear wet bathrooms, because you can really get accidents in a wet bathroom. To do a final touch of my tiles using this Magnee tile cleaner to just allow them to look better and even shine a bit.
Used to be alone, but now instead I need you by my side. Can't go without one single night dreaming about you. Air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to share all the world.
The bathroom was finally clean, and what I was left to do is to now organize everything I had gotten to the shelves. And this time I was going to use this beautiful storage basket that I had gotten from Kamukonji a few weeks ago. In case you have watched this video up to this point, I'm very grateful for your support. To my Premier Gang, I'm very grateful for your support. Thank you for always finding time to come and support your girl.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
I also included this sink as part of my bathroom cleaning. It was, however, not very dirty because I normally clean it every day. And for these parts that that you cannot reach using a cloth, I normally use the used toothbrushes to clean it, and also the holes that are usually in this sink. So do not throw away your used toothbrushes. They can be of help while cleaning.
Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25. A little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25.
Give my camera setting, I think I was not able to set it right. That's why you cannot see what I'm doing up there. But I was just trying to clean some stains that I had seen in the wall.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
Every time I finish cleaning this sink, I normally pour some vinegar so that it can unclog any dirt inside.
Happier tonight. Happier tonight.
I was finally done cleaning and organizing, and I was somehow confused on how I should organize these baskets up there. But this is what I came up with, and it looked beautiful to me. So thank you very much for watching this video. Let me see you in my next one.